Again with the game dev, the actual game dev, not just dreams. Let me just make sure everything's good. Science and technology, Acer's Live is fine. That's good. The tags are there. Don't know why I have an IRL tag, but that's fine. Yeah, everything looks good. Fantastic. Laser-based puzzle games. So again, this game is made in Dreams, the one I'm showing right now, and here it is. You're on a grid. You can move pieces around. You can rotate pieces. I haven't played this in a while, so I'm doing the controls wrong, but why isn't this door opening? Oh, this. Oh, okay. Here we go. I think this is the solution too. Yeah, this is the solution. I think. Do I? Oh, I might not have enough lasers. Oh, I remember the solution now. This is a good puzzle. There we go. That's the solution. Well, obviously. Right, but anyway, that's the game. I've already made this in Dreams. I'm trying to make this in Godot so I can give it to the masses instead of just... Let's replay the level. Instead of just having it be in Dreams, which is on the PS4. So let me open back up my programs, namely Blender and Godot. So I've already sculpted these assets. Let's get Godot open. Wonderful. Laser bounce. Let's edit it. And I was in the middle of I don't know why I'm still holding my PlayStation controller. I was in the middle of importing the rotatable base, and you saw me use it there. Namely this one. This. I'm trying to import this, and I was having a little trouble, actually. I was having a little bit of trouble. Let me show you. Oh, I think I ran out of time. So yeah, 90 rotatable base. Did I turn it into an asset yet? No. So if we just open this, right off the bat, when I click it, you'll see that it's sideways. The box is sideways. I don't even know if that's an issue, though. Oh, wait. What the heck? Like, why? So maybe I made it in Blender incorrectly? I don't know. But I am not an expert in Godot at all. I do know it, though. It's not like I'm... But, yeah. This is a lot of learning. And the scale is weird, too. Normally it was 1. What is this? What if I put this to 0? Okay, I probably don't want that. Okay, that's like the height. It's weird. It's really weird. But okay, let's just keep going. Let's do this. Let's add this. And if we save this as a scene, I'll show you what like the issue is. We want to save this under assets. And if we go into test level and just drag it in, I mean, it's, oh, why isn't that snapping? Oh, there, now it's snapping. It's a little big, which is fine. Because I've made all of my things 50% scale, and that normally wasn't an issue. But the reason it's an issue now is that the scale is so weird. So I guess the thing I was going to try, actually, before I had to do something else, before I had the stream, was just divide this by 2. Now, obviously, it's 6:3, so if I divide it by 2, it's not going to work. But, so what is this divided by 2? 8.882, I guess. And if I do it for all of them, I'm hoping it works. I really don't want to have to, like, yeah, so that actually did work. What I really don't want to have to do is remake it in Blender so this issue doesn't happen. I'd rather just work with this issue. What's up, Critical? It has disappeared from... Oh, it might be like inside something. I think it's this. Yeah, there it is. Another stream indeed. Your boy left the dream stream. Piece of crap went live. How's Peace doing? How's his avatar project doing? What do you mean? What did I do? What does that mean? What does it mean? 90 rotatable base. Okay. Oh, during the dream stream. Yeah, I worked on the Produce versus Predators tower defense game, and I added 2 accessibility options. I added a new camera. So instead of using the joysticks to move the camera, it's just a static top-down camera. And I also added a D-pad cursor. So instead of using the gyro, you can use the D-pad to move the cursor. It was pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna just delete this and then drag this one in. So this is supposed to be right on top. I think I can change something in this. Because right now it's snapping. I want this... Well, I guess it depends. What I really want is to just change what the snap is, and I don't know how. My little puddin', what's up, Olsen? We're working in real life today. We're not using dreams. We're in Godot. How do I change the snap? Is this an editor settings thing? Here we go. Let's set it to grid steps. Primary grid steps, maybe 50? No. Oh. I don't even know. This might be dangerous. Let's save and restart. Snap out of it. No, it's not real life, but it's, you know what I mean. No, that did nothing. Crap. Huh. I mean, okay, let's be honest. I can... It's not a big deal to just manually place this. It really is not a big deal. And it should actually work just being placed on the ground as well. I mean, it would be nice if this, like, snapped correctly, though. So what do we need to do? I mean, can't we just change the translation to, like... I guess we can just do that. Let's just keep going down. Oh, okay. So, yeah, let's put it back to 2. 1 is too much. Let's try 1.8. There, that's closer. That's closer. All right, so let's work with this. Okay. 1.6. We're getting there. This is probably not the best idea, but it doesn't, like, that's the thing. Like, it really does not matter. I just want it to line up. I want to know, like, what this height is, so I know in the future. Because this is, like, the height of it really does not matter. That's the thing, like, at all. I thought I was working. I mean, I didn't have any work to do, so so we're. I mean, this is what I normally do at work. Just work on my project. Let's try 1.4. This is probably too much. Yeah. So, 1.5. Okay. Perfect. So now let's see what it takes to go, like, up. So, like, to be on top of this. Let's try 1.75. Is that it? Or are we... That might be it. Oof. There's, like, a little bit... You know, I like it, though. I like it. That's fine. So 0.25. That works. I like that. Yeah, 0.25. Okay, the reason why it doesn't matter that it doesn't line up, like, perfectly or whatever is because I'm going to create these pieces and the combinations, right? So, like, the objects go on the bases. And once I create that combination, I never have to mess with it again. Babe, what are you doing? I thought you were in a Zoom thing. How long are you gonna... Can you do that in the bathroom or something? Did I uncollab you? What? Okay, I'm really sorry about that. Natalie is mixing frosting in the background. But, okay, anyway. We have this base. Unshare. Do you want me to send it to you again? I can send it to you again. Are you talking about the... What are you talking about? The tower defense game? There you go. Yeah, I mean, I didn't unsend it, but... You know. Ooh, I accidentally reset my progress. Wonderful. I just like having that up for a reference, by the way. Okay. Okay, we have the base. When we click the base, we need it to rotate 90 degrees. And it can just go all the way around. I don't have to make controls for rotating it left or right. In the game, you could rotate it left or right, but that's fine. For this, it's fine. Because it's going to be touch controls, so... So... Let's put this in our objects. What is lights? Oh, I ended up putting the light. I guess we don't need this anymore. I ended up putting the light on the camera, which worked pretty well. It just says Acert share with you. Can you play it? You should be able to play it. Yep, so that's what it looks like. So when you click it, you should be able to rotate it. There's no creation? That's really weird. You can't drag on it either. Perfect. All right. So here we go. Let's see if we can figure this out. We need this to rotate. Now, what is rotating? Shouldn't it be the entire thing? I feel like it should be the entire thing. Okay, so we can just change the rotation degrees. What the heck? Oh, I accidentally dragged. And then 90. Yeah, so we just want it to rotate 90 over and over and over. Okay. In my draggable base, okay, I put the code here. I will put the code here. So I'm going to make a new script. Built-in script, no. I would like this to be in my scripts folder. Music's a little loud. So let's attach a script. Asset, no, okay, so this is gonna be script. 90 rotatable base. Let's just name this script rotatable base, and then I'll have a variable in it that lets me set the rotation degrees, so I can use the same exact script for the other rotatable base as well. And let's name it like that. All right, it's working now. That's good to hear. Okay, we have a new script. Every script.
Guess what? There was like a stupid quiz thing at the end of like this seminar I watched, and I won a gift card.
You won?
I won a gift card.
Wait, why did you win?
I don't even know what I won, but I won something.
Why did you win? Did you get like the highest grade or something?
Yeah, it was like a game on Kahoot about pharmacy benefit management, and I won.
Oh my god! Okay, I would be less impressed. I thought it was so like funny. I thought it was like a random choice.
I was literally like doing it while making like frosting. I was like, ooh, click, click.
Oh my god, you're so smart!
I'm so smart, babe.
Wait, so yeah, you're smarter than everyone else in that.
There was only 5 people.
Wait, why were there only 5 people?
I don't know.
Who cares? That's awesome.
I freaking won, and my professor said congratulations. So, I'm winning.
What did you win?
A gift card. They're gonna email me something.
All right, if it's more than $5, I will be genuinely impressed.
Hell
Wow,
yeah.
good job, good job. That's awesome. Oops. I would have been more impressed initially. I thought it was just like a drawing, and she just got super lucky. No, she was. Yeah, you had to be smart to win that. That's awesome. Can you access the settings at no, I did not actually save the dream yet. Do you? I mean, so the cursor doesn't actually work yet. You can just move it, but do you want to access the settings? I mean, I can update it for you. All it is yeah, no, okay, it's fine. Okay, rotating. To rotate this, we need, what do we need? The rotation degrees. If I hover over this, it should, like, this is translation. This is rotation degrees. Euler angle, okay. Let's just make var. First, we want export var step, I guess. And we're going to default it to, I think, int. How do I think there's a way I can, like, hold on. If I go into my camera, which has, yeah, like this. Okay, this is what I want. I want literally exactly this. And the step is, it can default to 90. But now, okay, so now when you click on this, we have a new like script variable, see? And it's step. So this is the amount it's rotating every time you rotate it. Okay. Yeah, you just wanted to check it out. All good, all good. It's pretty cool, but it's not like, it doesn't work yet. It doesn't work yet. Okay. And then we need another variable, which is just, do we need another variable? I don't think we actually do. So now we need to get the input if we're clicking on it. We need to know if we click on it. So that's in the static body input event, I think. We need to know if we click on it. So let's connect this to the rotatable base. So here it is. And I think, and guys, I'm sorry about the blender in the background. That's not going to be going on for very much longer. Yeah, and now I need to know if I clicked on it, and somewhere else I have that. Is it in here? Okay, here. Oh no, I don't think this isn't it. I have the event. If event, how do I do this? Let's look it up. Let's learn. Get object. Maybe not object. It should be static body. Surprised I went this long without having to look something up. Oh, it only picks up my voice. Oh, wonderful. Oh, that's okay. Awesome. I can hear it. Here it is. Okay, so if event is input event mouse button so then can drag obviously isn't anything, but I want to do something. So event equals event dot pressed equals event dot pressed equals event dot pressed. If and then and event dot pressed, we do something. So what do we do? We literally just want to change the rotation by 90, or by the step rather. So can we do rotation equals rotation what? Rotation, I think it's, I don't know if I'm doing this right. Oh, it's Y. It's the Y, right? Yeah, it's the Y. Rotation, oh, it's called rotation degrees, my bad. Rotation degrees. Rotation degrees dot Y, that should work, equals rotation degrees dot Y plus the step. I think the code is that easy. I'm pretty sure it's that easy. Let's set the step to 45. And then it oh, okay, that setting the step to 45 only changed. That's fine. So if we set it to 90 and it rotates, we actually wouldn't be able to tell because it's like completely symmetrical. So if we set it to 45, we'll actually be able to tell. So let's see if clicking on it rotates it. Oh shit, it actually worked. Okay, wow. It's always nice when things work literally the first try. So, okay. Now the fun part. We need to lerp it. We need to make it smoother. So let's go back, and I have lerp somewhere else. I have it in the draggable base. Now, how did I implement this? Right. Equals, yes. Okay, so let's just copy this line and put it here. Okay, so rotation degrees Y equals, we're lerping it. What is... Oh, okay. So the initial is this. The new one is this. So the initial is just the current rotation. The new one is rotation plus the step, I think. And then this is like the how fast it goes. And then obviously we don't want that anymore. Let's hope that works. We'll see. No. Okay. Okay, the reason it's not working, I think, well, let's see how I did it in Dragon Ball Base. Okay, because I'm saving the new, yeah. Okay. So we need to save the new position. So this is wrong, right? This is, oh crap, what was it? Yeah. So this is wrong. Far, maybe like new rotation, I guess. And every time we click, we need to save the new rotation. So new rotation equals this. Maybe new rotation Y, because that's what it is. New rotation Y equals that, and that is what we're lerping to. What's wrong? Oh, did I not? I didn't indent it. My bad. There we go. It is actually, is that still not working? What? What's wrong? I actually...
brought you a scrap.
Holy shit, babe.
Here you go.
What is that?
It's a scrap of pumpkin cake.
It's cold.
It's been in the fridge. No, it's yours.
I'm not that hungry. It's really good, though. Babe, please take this. Natalie, please take it. It's good, but it needs frosting. Can you please take this? I don't want to set it down. I don't want to set it down on my dusty desk.
Eat my cake.
I had some of it. It's good, but I'm just not that hungry. It needs frosting. I did indent. What's going on? What? Is that better? Seriously? Okay, whatever. There was some formatting issues. Let's try it now, though. It still didn't work. That's annoying. Really quick. Let's just make sure it's not... I don't think this will fix it, but... Let's just make sure. I highly doubt this will work. Yeah, okay. What is going on? It's rotating like not very much at all. I mean, it was cold. She gave me a cake with nothing on it. I wanted frosting. I didn't beg or choose. I'm just right here streaming, and then you're just trying to force feed me cake. I mean, maybe it's, I don't even know. I actually don't even know. Let's go to remote and, aw, now you give me frosting. Thank you.
Try it.
Ooh.
I had to put cinnamon in the frosting.
That's good. All right, here it is. So we can see the rotation. We can see the rotation degrees right now. It's right here. This is like the actual rotation degrees. Why did it only go up 9? Wait, so what if I set it to 45? Oh, it is 40. Wait, it is 45. What the heck? Why? I don't understand. So, with this logic... Translation. Oh! Oh, it needs to happen. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. All right, my bad, my bad. It needs to happen in the process. So it has to happen over and over and over. My bad. So this is good. This needs to be here. Rotation degrees Y is lerping to that. Just always. It's just always doing it. Yeah, that makes sense. Just... Frick. Oh. And it needs to start at 0. Hey, let's go. Ooh, wait. If we click it too much... Uh-oh. Okay, so here's an issue. We can... Let's restart that. If we click it while it's rotating, all it does is add 90 or 45 to the current rotation. And the current rotation, that's not good. What we need to do here, this is a smart thing. We need to add it to the new rotation. So look right here. When you click, new rotation Y equals not the current rotation, just take the new rotation. That's what we need to do. So now when we double click, it'll go 2 times as fast. Yep. So that fixed it, by the way. Now let's take this and make the step 90, which is what it should have been originally. I just made it 45 so we can test. There you go. So we can click it and it doesn't glitch out because it's always being in a step of 90. Now I'm curious. This might not be good. So let's look at the rotation. Oh, see, I figured it would just keep adding 90 and it would be some giant number, but it looks like it puts it back to 0 once it passes 360. Oh, it's not even changing. Oh, did I do it wrong? Maybe I wasn't in remote properly. Okay, let's try it now. There we go. Yep, so look. So you can actually watch it lerp. Oh, crap. Yeah, so look. It's just going to be a giant number. So obviously this is not good. This is not good because, well, look, I'm going to be honest. I'm just assuming this isn't good. I'm not sure why, but it definitely is not good. So after 360, we need to go back to 0. Yeah, no, I definitely could just print out the number, but I like to watch it live, kind of like this. But yeah, printing is really easy in this. So let's try to fix that. Yeah, right here. 360 is equal to 0 in this case, right? Because 360 is all the way around. So right here, if and this is right after we set it, if new rotation Y equals 360, new rotation Y equals 0, and that'll fix it. Yeah, that's a super easy fix. The reason it's yelling at me, I actually have no idea. Oh. Yeah, it happens to the best of us. It's double equals. Single equals is assigning. Okay. Now, let's go to remote and then click it. You guys can read this, right? Yeah. So 90, 180, 270, and then it should go back to 0, actually. Crap. It spun the other way. It spun the other way! Ugh. Rotation equals rotation modulo 360? Just do modulo 360? What do you mean? Oh. I'm just concerned with this number going up and up and up and up and up. Also, it's going counterclockwise instead of clockwise. Maybe it's okay. What's up, GB? How's it going? This is a stupid question. Maybe minus 180. Oh, that's smart. Oh, that's really smart. Okay, so... Wait, would that even work? Wouldn't it still spin the wrong way? All right, let me explain my current problem one more time. Maybe me explaining it would help myself. Right, so every time we add 90, it spins, and it just keeps going up and up and up and up and up. But that's fine, I guess. It's just the amount of times it's rotated. It works perfectly. Is it okay that the number gets giant? Probably not. Rotation equals rotation modulo 360. No, if needed. Wait, I'm not sure what you mean by that. And what do you mean by minus 180? Because, like, I want it to spin a specific direction every single time. Maybe this is just fine, honestly. I mean... The thing is, like, I don't think the player's just going to sit there and rotate it, like, literally 5,000 times. Like, how big can this number be? It's still fine. Like, okay, I think it's fine. Yeah, no, it's not an issue. It's just literally not an issue. It's straight up not an issue. I have decided. I don't even think it's a shortcut. I think, like, we have the exact functionality we want. Yes, technically we could get an overflow problem eventually, I guess. Also, it's going the wrong way, so let's set the step to negative 45. We want it to go clockwise. Although I don't think that even did anything to the... Okay, that's weird. What's going on? Oh. Oh. My bad. There we go. Okay. Now we can set it to negative 45. And let's go back to the test level and then set this one, because this one didn't change. So negative 90. Okay, now it'll spin clockwise. All right, that's perfect. That went really well, actually. Wonderful. Here's where it gets super interesting. Can we make a draggable, rotatable base? I think it's trivial. I think. Hey, Natalie, can you stop hiccuping? I'm joking, obviously. It's okay, I forgive you. I'm joking. She can hiccup as much as she wants. Although when Natalie hiccups, she, like, hiccups it's kind of crazy. She hiccups like rapid fire. Okay, so yes, how do we do this? We need to make this, the rotatable base, a child of this. I honestly think it's really, really simple. So if we just, do we want to make this a new asset though? Let's just leave it. Let's just build it in here first. So let's take the rotatable base 2 and make it a child of draggable base, which is this one. So now if we move this, bam. Now what? Just put it in place. Yeah, yeah, so this is kind of annoying, right? What we have to do, I don't even know what we have to do. We need to, I mean, what we need to do is not snap it. I really don't think we need snap for everything, for literally everything. I don't think we need snap. So like not snapping this is completely fine. I in my opinion. Okay. This should just work. And if this doesn't work, I'm going to be kind of sad. Hey, let's go. It works. Now, I forget how it works. Yeah, see, this is actually kind of annoying, though. Oh, and then there's code. Okay, so here's something we need to do. This should be its own scene. There's code in this to... Well, here, let me show you. Oh, wow. Hola. I'm getting raided? What's up? Holy crap. Why didn't I get a notification? Oh my gosh. How's it going, guys? What's up? Are you sure I'm getting raided? I don't know. Yeah, thanks, Pillow. Yeah, let's not let's not spam that much. Acer, Feeny, and Ferb had the correct amount of spam. Okay, anyway. So if we turn on debugging, notice how this... So each square with a cube is open for, like, dragging and dropping. Notice how this one isn't open. That's because there's logic on this rotatable base to do the same exact thing. Although now that I think about it... You know what? Let's change this a little. Let's change this a little. Because I have... Okay, so I have code here, which closes the closest tile on ready. And that's in all my objects. But it's searching for the closest open tile. I think what I'm going to do is just search for the closest tile. Can you please... I tried to say your name. Aserafini? Let's play Fortnite. Are you guys real people? We're programming today. Oh, you don't even speak English. That's okay. All right. So instead of getting the closest open tile, let's just get the closest tile. So if I don't pass anything into here, it's just going to look through all of the tiles, I think. And notice how it works now. So notice how... Yeah, it only closes the tile it's on. That's perfect. Now here's something. How did I do it in my game? I'm curious. So like, it's a different button. So in my game, you didn't have to just click specifically the base. You could click anywhere. And then you could rotate. Oh man, how am I gonna do this? I need to sense whether I'm dragging. I need to detect the difference between a drag and a click. What if... You're welcome. What if I... Oh, man, how am I going to do this? The draggable mace needs to drag if you drag its child as well. How do I include the child's hitbox into this? I don't play Fortnite, no. Is there no English only rule? I mean, it's not a rule. I'm just not going to understand what you're saying. All right. So the first issue is if we click and drag this part, that just rotated. That was weird. If we click and drag the rotatable base, we want the whole thing to go. I think we should deal with that first. Yeah, let's not swear at me in any language, but you're not wrong. Okay, let's go into this. We know if the mouse entered. So we need to know if the mouse has entered anything, including the children. So the child being this rotatable base. So the rotatable base needs to have logic to tell the parent that it has been hovered. That's what needs to happen right now. Can we save this thing as its own object? Because it needs new logic. It needs new logic. It needs new code. Can I save the branch as a scene? I think I can do that. He said shut up in Brazilian. That's not racist. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I need to, what do I need to do? I need to make this its own scene. Let's try that. Make scene room, save branch as scene. Can be done on instanced scenes. That's okay. Can we do this? These are our assets. Should I make a new folder called like pieces? Maybe? Yeah, that makes sense. And pieces are going to be like completed things, right? So like, for example, this on this is a piece or something. I don't know. Maybe I should just put it all under assets. Let's just put it all under assets. So let's see. We want draggable base, and we want the 90 rotatable base on top of it. So can we just like copy and paste this? No. Can we duplicate it? Okay, there. So this is going to be draggable base, and then it's going to be 90 rotatable base on top. Okay, why is there an error duplicating it? Oh, it's probably the name. Let's just call it 2. Yeah, there. It was the name. So rename. Draggable base. How about that? Then 90 rotatable base. There we go. Oh, that is very verbose, though. These are going to be very long names. Gonna make some rice for lunch. Nice, nice. I had a sandwich myself. Godot is sick. It is cool. Godot is very. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so we've copied the scene. Now we can start putting some more stuff into this. Pillow will be back. Pillow will be back. such as this. So let's go back into our test level and just get rid of this. Let's just get rid of that. We're gonna make a new thing. Let's rename this drag rotate 90. Just so it's not so long. Sickening? I hope not. Okay. Drag rotate 90. Okay. So the drag rotate 90 is going to have the rotatable base on this. And then we can put the rotatable asset, be it like the laser or the mirror or something, on top of this as a child. But really the issue is like, the issue is telling the parent, telling the draggable base if we're clicking on it. Or if we're hovered, rather, if we're hovered on it. That's what we need to do. So we need, okay, let's try this. We need a helper node. Can we just duplicate this? Hovered. Okay. And can we, I want to clear script, I believe. Yeah, clear script. Let's add a new script, attach script. We want it built in on this. And yeah, create. Okay. Okay, so we have a new script. This is confusing. We need to know, this script needs to tell the parent if it's hovered or not. That's it. That's it. So, but for that I need to get the static body, I believe. Yes, I need to get the static body. It's mouse entered or mouse exited. And then I need to tell the, literally all this is going to do is tell the parent. It's hard. How I need to send these signals in a good way, in like a neat way. This is the 90 rotatable base. Why am I even on here? Where, there, this is where I want to be. So like this base needs to tell this base that this guy is hovered. Maybe we don't need this. Maybe we just, maybe we just have a hovered variable. Let's not do it here. Let's do it here. So maybe this just has a hovered variable. I'd be okay with that. But why wouldn't I just like... No, that's fine. Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. So var hovered equals false. And then the static body needs to tell me when it's entered and exited so I know if it's hovered or not. I've already done that exact logic here. It's just kind of annoying that I need to copy and paste this logic, but it's not... I mean, it's literally just checking if it's hovered. What I really want to do is like is just connect. Where is it? I just want this to tell this that it's hovered. Can this just check all of its children or something? Because I want to do it. I wanted to do it automatically. That's what I want. So I want this draggable base to basically check if all of its children, if any of its children are being hovered as well. But I think instead of that, I think the children should communicate with the parent. I think that makes more sense. That's what should happen. The child should communicate with the parent. Okay. So
Yo, what game are you making?
I'm remaking Laser Bounce.
Wait, the child should communicate with the parent.
It's just like coding terminology. So like I have an object, I have a draggable base, right?
Yes.
And then the child of my draggable base is my rotatable base.
Baby?
No, child.
Baby?
See? And the child should communicate with the parent. That's...
But what about parent communicating to the child? Isn't that important too?
But the parent doesn't know if the child exists. That's the problem.
Oh my god!
This terminology is very, very
She
interesting.
doesn't know she's pregnant!
Right. Okay, so... The static body, yes. Mouse entered, we're going to connect that. Mouse exited, we're going to connect that. And it's literally just if the mouse is entered, hovered equals true. I think this is a good workflow. Like, I could easily just do this by, like, hard coding it. But I need to do it in a way that is, like, reusable. Okay, so now we have hovered like this. And if this ever changes... If hovered is ever equal to true, well, oh crap, I don't... If the child is telling the parent, the child can't just overwrite the hover variable though. Okay, well, anyway, maybe the parent does talk to the child. This knows whether or not it's hovered. Hey, Prince, what's up? Coding so cool. Might check out the stream later. Sadly, I'm busy. All good, all good. Keep on doing what you're doing. Love the content. Thanks. I really appreciate that. No, it's all good, man. It's all good. I will be doing this for another... Hey, Natalie, when are they coming over? 5?
4 or 5.
5? Okay, yeah. I'll be doing this for another 2 hours, so... But no, Prince, I appreciate that. Okay. So, regardless of how we communicate this data, we know... This base has a hovered variable, at the very least. It has a hovered variable. Okay. Right here. So, this base knows that it's being hovered. How does this... check on its children? Can I literally just... Can I just iterate over everything? Like... Oh, what if it just sends out a signal? That this subscribes to or something. What's Godot? It's like Unity, but different. It's just a game engine, right? It's what you make games in. It's like Unity or Unreal, but it's free. How's it going, Boom? Oh, and then not only do we have to check if it's being hovered, we need to check if it's being clicked. I know there's a way to do this. I know there is. Unity added Dreams type coding recently. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, visual coding. They added Bolt. That's right. That's real. It is really cool. I've never used it, but I'm just thinking there has to be a way to do this. I know that, but I just don't know how. I need to know if we're clicking and dragging. Oh, okay. Well, one thing we do have to do. So instead of clicking, mouse button and event pressed, it needs to be event released, I believe. Okay, it's not autofilling. Or maybe, is it released or unpressed? Well, it's definitely not released. Hey, Martian Man, thank you so much for the sub. 15 months. Oh my god. I really appreciate it, dude. Thank you so much for the support. Oops. Let me give you some hearts. How's it going? We're making laser bounce outside of Dreams. I think I should look something up, but I'm not entirely sure. Is it unpressed? What's the opposite of pressed? No, I tried that. Okay, let's just keep it pressed. Pressed works.
Free, I don't know.
No.
I'm gonna run to the store.
Yeah? Can you pick up? What did I want? Juice.
I'm going to PetSmart, and I think I'm gonna go to the liquor store and get some.
Okay, well, you gotta get some juice.
Because I want Fireball. Because I'm a 22-year-old girl. And that is the drink of choice.
True. Are you gonna drink with everyone?
I mean, I'm either gonna.
Don't they drive? Oh, only one of them.
I mean,
Oh yeah, like key up or something, right?
probably not with them.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe after I'll have a couple of drinks.
Okay, good luck. Oh, I just realized it's not even that big of a deal. Okay, so if you click and drag the rotatable base, I don't care. It's not gonna work. It's gonna move the camera and it's gonna rotate. You shouldn't be clicking and dragging the rotatable base because something's gonna be on it. That's what you should be clicking and dragging, right? Okay, but okay. Anyway, we need a way for this base. Well, now we don't. We need the way. Okay, let's import something else. Just let's import the laser or a mirror. Let's import the mirror or export or whatever. Just to give you guys like a better example of like what I'm doing. Single-sided mirror. Okay. He gave you mod for like 10 minutes, and you tried to ban him from his own channel, but it didn't work. So you banned me, right? What language are you using? So it's called GD script. It's like it's what Godot uses. I mean, there's other stuff Godot uses, but I'm personally using GD script. All right, so single-sided mirror. Let's copy and paste that. Okay, here it is. Where is it? Single-sided mirror. Open anyway. There it is. Beautiful. Now okay, so this is 2 meshes, which is fine with its materials. Let's move these boys over, and we need to scale it down. Perfect. There's our mirror. Okay, cool. And what else do we need? We need to know, yeah, we also need that mesh thing. Okay, so let's go here. All right, bye. Okay, so that gets a mesh, but we also... There also needs to be one for this. So we have this mesh, and then we... Oh. Yeah, we have this mesh right here, and then we have... Or not mesh, collision shape, whatever. And then we have this one. Interesting. But anyway, let's save this. Or let's also put this close closest tile on ready in here, and then let's name this single sided mirror. Okay. Oh, we need to save as an asset. Single sided mirror, save. Let's go to test level. So let me just show you what this looks like. So here's my mirror. Here is my laser bounce mirror. In all its glory. And the idea is to put it on a rotatable base. That's my current goal. Okay, maybe we should start with just putting it on a draggable base. Because, so like, yeah, I can do this. Oh, there, like that. And now, oh, I messed up. One second. I don't know why I did that. Okay, there. Oh shoot. Why did it go so low? Wait a second. Okay, let's edit this. It shouldn't be that low. My bad. Can we make this mesh? I mean, that's going to be too high, right? Yeah. So can we do it like halfway? That's probably too low. That is definitely too low. How about that? That is literally perfect. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so anyway, this is easy to do, right? This was easy to do. The hard part, or the relatively hard part, is making it so I can click the mirror and it also drags. Right? That's the next challenge. Like, making the mirror drag and droppable, that's easy, right? I just put it inside it. Yeah, again, the hard part is making... If I click the mirror, it also drags. You're actually making a game in the Unreal Engine? Nice, nice. You don't need coding. Cool. There's reflections, but the lighting right now isn't great. If you still need that, call for the bool on release. Oh, is action just released? Ah, thank you. Yep. It wasn't released, it's just released. Yeah, or something like that. I think I'm going to do something else, though, but thank you. I am happy with how this works so far, though. Okay. So, let's do this. Let's try to do this at least. Single-sided mirror. Let's just try to figure out if this is being hovered and clicked. That shouldn't be too hard. We need a... Single-sided mirror... Yeah, this is going to need some logic, most likely. Let's not make this a built-in script. And the static body needs to tell when you're entered and exited. We don't care if it's clicked, right? Clicking does not do anything. I think. Oh no, wait, wouldn't clicking... Crap, yeah, so For the rotatable base, oh man. Because I have to keep in mind, like, I only have one finger. Like, it's just tapping or dragging and stuff. So I need to... Crap. I need to differentiate between a drag and a tap. We'll worry about that later. We will worry about that later. You should have made Gungeon instead of Laser Bounce. I'm just doing Laser Bounce because I think, like, it would make a really good mobile app. And why would I make Gungeon Boom? Like, that's already a thing. This is an original game that I'm trying to make. Oh boy. Okay. So mouse enter. Why would makes no sense. Why would I copy a game? Okay, this is good. And now I also want this to communicate with it. And apparently there's already the function. Yeah, so the function... I only needed 2 functions. That's kind of cool. I just had to reconnect it. Okay. Oh, okay, so the... Huh. Interesting. I might just end up hard coding everything. It's not that... to communicate. We'll see though. Okay, single-sided mirror. So we need to know whether this is being hovered. Var hovered. And then if it's entered, you are hovered. And if it's exited, you are not hovered. Okay, that's easy enough. That's easy enough. And we basically just need to check. So this, we have this hovered, right? The mirror's hovered. The draggable base needs to check if any of the children are hovered. And if any of the children are hovered, and then you click, it should drag. So, and hovered. That's not enough, though. It needs to check. So I need a function. Okay. I need a function. Check hovered, I guess. I don't know. That returns whether any of the children are hovered, not just the draggable base. I think. Check if script of a node has a variable. Okay. Okay. So I can actually check if it has a variable. All right. So if body.get. Okay. So did I exit that? I hope I didn't. And now I need, so Godot, iterate over all child nodes. Oh, that's interesting. K Jockus, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Oh my gosh. What's going on? Why would you copy a game? Yeah, exactly. Minecraft. Oh. Wait. Oh, you're not agreeing with me. Why would you copy a game? Minecraft was a copy. Okay, Boom just keeps saying for me to make Gungeon. Laser Bounce is literally an original game I made. What are you talking about? So I'm trying to make it. I'm trying to port it outside it, or yeah, port it from Dreams. Do it through group. Interesting. Through the group function of the scene tree. Okay, but I kind of just want this. Get all nodes. So this is just recursive. It's calling get all nodes. So for end node and get children if it's greater than 0, and then I can do some. Okay, so let's just try this. But there has to be a better way to do this. I don't think there is though. Shouldn't be. No, this should be fine. This should be fine. So check hovered. This is its own function though. Let's pass. Function get all nodes for nodes and get children. Yeah, I mean this. So this is just gonna print the children nodes. That's kind of cool. Let's just see if that works. But for when do we call this? Check hovered. Oh, we this is just gonna return. This is gonna return false. And then if it's hovered and no, return hovered. And we're going to put check hovered here. So if you press and you're hovered, that. Okay, let's just see if this works. I'm actually really curious. Okay, so nothing printed. Nothing printed because I never called it. Jesus Christ. What is wrong with me? Okay, I've successfully called it. Oh. How do you pass in a node? How do you self? Is it self? Oh, it's self. It's not this. Okay. So when I click on this one of the draggable bases, oh, whoa. Oh, when I click at all. When I just click. Cool. Collision state. Yeah. So, okay. So what if I click on... Okay. Okay. It definitely is changing. Let's restart. So whenever I click, it gets called. Oh, wow. That has a lot of children. Static body, collision shape. Yep. And then this cube has its own static body. Single-sided mirror has two things. Yeah, that's cool. So it goes through everything. That's really cool. Okay. Okay, so that gets all the children nodes. Now, in the children nodes, all I need to do is check if it's hovered. And I think I already had that here. You guys talking about Santa Dash? I swear if Acer tries saying that Santa Dash is original. I mean... Wait. Is Santa Dash not original? I literally just made... Like, that was just an idea I came up with. Boom. A laser bounce is 100% original. There is no other game with those mechanics. Specifically those mechanics. But I'm not saying bouncing laser games don't exist, but I'm saying laser bounce itself, as it is, like with its mechanics, is completely original. Santa Dash is original. I thought it was too. Find one. Find one then. Please. Okay, so here we go. If it has... So we just want this now. But why is it called I think it's just called hovered. And then what happens? If it has hovered... Wait, body. It should be... Wait. N is the child. N is the current node, right? N is the current node, so we're looking at N. What's wrong? Oh, yeah. And then... if N dot hovered equals true. That's what we needed. That is exactly what we needed. Perfect. Okay. So this is going through every child node, and it's checking if it even has a hovered variable, and if it does, and it's true, it sets this, the main hover, the draggable bases hover, to true. But why does it not like this? I think it's like an indenting issue. I'm not sure. Yeah, it was just an indenting issue. Oh, no. This is super annoying. There we go. Yeah, it's just an indenting issue. Please. Thank you. Okay. Because when I copy and paste, it's the indents get messed up because this whole thing is indent sensitive. Boom. Yes, they are. Find a game like it then. Why do you keep like saying this? But you find a game like it with all of the mechanics, with the wires opening doors, with the different activators, the activator absorber, the activator ring, the activator reflector, the mirrors, the mechanic where the laser like bounces in steps. It doesn't just bounce instantly. I did research before starting Laser Bounce, and there were like 3 laser games. And none of them were like this. And it's 3D, but I'll give you that a game being 3D and 2D with having the same mechanics is basically a copy. But it's an original game. Like, I didn't just take a game and copy its mechanics, dude. I don't know. Find a single one. Why? Like, you just keep saying this, but are you looking? I mean, I don't like play every single app out there, so I don't really play apps at all, but the names, yeah, go for it. There was like a couple laser games, but they were nothing like mine. One had, you were like bouncing off of rocks. It was weird. Okay. So this is checking. So this isn't get all nodes anymore. Oh, and this is oh, yeah. We still need, this is a recursive function, so we still need it like that. I kind of like it like this. But it shouldn't be called get all nodes. It should be called like check children for hovered. Something like that. Check. Let's keep it the same. So children for hovered. Laser overload. Oh, this looks cool. Oh shit, that looks really sim. What the hell? Nice. When was this released? So the goal looks very similar. I'll give you that. I've never seen this. This looks great though. Okay, so right off the bat, my game you can't move. So with my game you can't move things while the laser's bouncing. And you can't like add things while the laser's bouncing. And lasers don't bounce off of each other. This game is nothing like mine. I'm saying my mechanics are original. This looks cool, though. It looks kind of crazy, to be honest. Ray Trace. It looks cool, though. It's very popular, which gives me hope, but... What is this? And I've seen this one, too. But again, like... I don't know what to tell you. I'm not saying I invented laser bounce games. Or laser games. That's not what I'm saying at all. And I feel like that's what you think I'm saying. This is the one I've seen. Yeah, this one's pretty fun. I'm saying the mechanics in mine are original. Yeah, the lasers bouncing on themselves. I mean, that's pretty cool. But yeah, boom. Like, did you think I thought that laser bounce games apps didn't exist? What the heck's going on here? Oh. Okay. I mean, let's just see what happens. Oh, holy shit, it worked. It works! I mean, of course it worked. Look at that. I'm clicking the mirror and it's moving. Let's really quick. Oh, that's awesome though. It actually worked. That's really, really cool. So it's going through all the children and it's checking if it's hovered. Oh, the problem with that is if you click anywhere. See, I might not like this. I don't think I like this solution because if you click anywhere, this code will run for every single thing. So like, I mean, I don't know if I'm going to notice lag, but like, I mean, I don't think I'm going to notice lag for just like 5 of them. I mean, I highly doubt it. It's still instant, but... Oh, whoa. That was weird. It was like I was... Oh, yeah, look at that. How did I do that? Oh, no. I just grabbed 3 of them. Okay. Well, that solution is clearly not working. All right, I changed the visual of the switches. Oh, did you find one that's actually? This one doesn't even have switches, does it? This one looks kind of cool. Ray trace. Or are you just clicking one spot? Laser break. Oh, this looks cool too. Yeah, I mean, all these games are like really. All these games are super different. They're all based off of lasers, but that doesn't mean I'm copying them. Like, they're all laser games, but it doesn't mean that they're the same. Like, okay. Yeah, this I mean, it's interesting. It's very interesting how it thinks both of these are being hovered. Oh, and then it just went inside of it. That's a bug. All right. We got to work on this. This is. I don't think we're going to use this hovered thing. So my first idea, which was putting the code in the draggable base and then it recursively like checks if everything else is being hovered. I like the idea though. Why didn't that work? Is this just not accurate enough? Maybe we just grab the input event and check whether it's clicked or not. We don't have to check if it's hovered. Maybe that's what we do. That would be easier too. I kind of like that idea. Let's try that. So let's disconnect these. Yeah, now that I think about it, I don't even need to check if it's hovered ever. I just need to check if it's clicked. And then I need to check if you're released. Oh, man. This whole hover thing, I think I overthought it. Okay, so let's see. Let's take draggable base. And let's get rid of this one too. Well, actually, no, let's not. So I think I have an idea. I think I know what to do. Draggable base, let's duplicate and call this drag one-sided mirror. All right, draggable one-sided mirror. Yes, great. Here it is. I'm going to put the mirror, single-sided mirror. What is this? Oh, this is the script. Let's just get rid of that. Let's clear the script too. Okay. Let's rename this 1SM. Okay, that's fine. It's broken dependencies? Where? I should have read that. Oh, right here. Wait, I actually don't know. Let's rename this one too. 1SM. Okay. Right. So drag 1SM. Let's put the mirror in that. Okay. Perfect. And now literally all we do is just tell the draggable base if this mirror was clicked. That's it. How do we do that? Crap. Okay, let's go back into the one-sided mirror. So it looks like we do need code. Or we need to create a signal for this, and the only way to do that is to attach script. So let's attach a script. Built-in script. Let's not make it built-in. That's fine. So we'll go to scripts. 1SM, that's fine, okay. Now we need to make a new signal, and I've forgotten how to do that, but we can easily look it up. But what's important is that if this static body is clicked, or if this one is clicked, so if either of these is clicked, this will run. And I believe it was, what was it? Let's just go to draggable base. Yeah, it's this. I think. If event dot is action pressed, grab, right, which is the click. Wait, is that right? This is just input event. No, that's not. But we do have event. Like, we have event right there. If event... How do you do this? I've literally already looked this up. Yeah, is. Oh, yeah. If event is that, sure. If event is input mouse button, input event mouse button, and event.press. Okay. And event.pressed. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Okay. What? We want to send our own signal out. Now, how do we do that? Godot custom signal. I've been here so many times. Okay. Signal my signal. Signal clicked. Okay. I didn't mean to minimize that. And then how do we emit? Emit signal clicked. So we want to emit signal clicked. Okay. Great. That's perfect. And notice how now there's a signal clicked right there. So if we go here, check this out. Signal clicked. We're going to connect clicked to draggable base. There you go. On single-sided mirror. On single-sided mirror. Oh. Okay, let's unlink that really quick. I want to rename this. So let's just delete this. My bad. It should be called, I want to keep all the names the same. One-sided mirror. That's what that stands for. One-sided mirror. Okay. Cool. So let's go to our draggable one-sided mirror. Let's put the one-sided mirror in it. And there we go. Now Let's connect clicked to the draggable base. And let's also connect, so we don't want the hover thing anymore. At all. Like, oops. We literally don't care about being hovered. So where else do we have hovered? We don't want check hovered. We don't want that anymore. Check hovered. No. We don't want that anymore. And we don't want this either. We literally don't want this. Yeah. This is what we want. If and drag. Yes, that's what we want. We don't want this anymore though. So or let's keep it though. I know what I want to do. We need to check if this is clicked. So disconnect. Input event. Yep, let's connect that. Okay, so now we know if the mirror is clicked, and we know if the actual base is clicked. And if either of these are clicked, let's do it up here. Function. Hey JJ, what's up? How's it going? You had to watch an ad? Yeah. Yep. We're making laser bounce outside of dreams. That's what we're doing. Let's just call this clicked, I guess. So if we've clicked, dragging equals true, add to, yes, perfect. Hey babe. Wait, you were gone? Oh yeah, you went, I thought you already went to the store. You went to the store again?
I just went back.
Hell yeah. What's up? Okay. So I know it's been a while. We did the charity stream was today, a couple hours ago. Yeah, you saw this on Twitter. Right. Yeah, it was on Twitter. Yeah, we're making some pretty good progress. I'll show you soon. Okay, so when we've clicked, and when do we call this? When do we call clicked? We call it when we click, or when the mirror is clicked. Yeah, I like this. Why isn't, oh, we don't want this anymore. Yeah. Okay, there you go. So dragging equals true. Sets the closest tile sets the closest tile to open, and it adds to the group dragging. Let's put that there. I think this will work. So let's get rid of this entire thing. What did I just delete? Was there two of those here? Oh, whoops. Okay, let's get rid of that. And let's add our own. What's it called? Drag. Drag? Maybe I renamed that, but there it is. So here it is. Let's see if it works. What? I don't know what that means. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm not clicking. Uh-oh. It won't let go. Okay, that's weird. So something messed up. It's just... Okay, that's super weird. Something is wrong. Yeah, it very rarely works first time. Okay, let's see. You remember laser bounce though, right? Oh, wait. Oh, of course this isn't working. I need to check if the event is actually is clicked. Oh, that's my bad. This is what I need. I completely forgot that. Wow. I think I even deleted it. My bad. So, or wait. Oh, I already have that. Okay, but it's the problem was this. This is fine. This is the problem. So or actually we can copy and paste it from this. If the event is the mouse button being pressed, then we call the clicked function. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Let's try that. Okay, so far so good. There we go. Now it's just checking if it's actually being clicked. Yes, that makes perfect sense. And then when we release it, let's go. That makes so much sense. All right. Now, this is where the last method broke down. Let's try adding more. Oh, but first, can we rename this? Drag one-sided mirror. Cool. You remember? Hell yeah. All right, good. It wasn't that long ago. It was kind of a long time ago, actually. Okay, so we're going to duplicate this a couple of times. Everything lines up, of course. Let's try it. So the issue was when we clicked, multiple things would be grabbed. Whoa, what? Okay, so we're still having that issue. Man. Oh, okay. Well. Why did that happen? Oh, no. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Let's restart and see what's going on. And I'm turning my debugging cubes on. Hold on. Let's make the debugging cubes a little bit bigger. So I can actually see them. There we go. Why was I able to... I mean, it seems to be working now. Why was I able to, like... Oh, this isn't clickable. What the heck? Why aren't I able to drag this base? That's a whole other problem. What the heck happened there?
Mama wants to say hi.
Hi. Aw. He's like, please let me down.
He's sniffing my face.
Alright.
I like fully stepped on his tail and I was like freaking out, but he like didn't even react.
Okay.
He didn't even meow, so I'm like, okay, guess he's fine.
Guess he's fine,
I
yeah.
killed him though.
Wait, what is this? This is the draggable base. And now...
Oh my God. What do you want, baby?
That's fine. What about... Oh, wait. Why doesn't that work? Does clicking the base not work? That works. So why doesn't... Why, if it's just a base, it should still work? Function clicked. When does click get called? Here. Is this not connected? It is. Oh. Oh. It wasn't connected. It actually wasn't. There we go. Okay, now it'll work. Did I accidentally? That was weird. Okay, that was weird. What the heck? Okay, well, anyway, this is... What is going on? What is happening? I mean, it's working now. Why wasn't it working before? What the heck? The big white squares mean it's an available spot. And that's clearly working. Was it the angle or something? I just don't understand why it's working now. Okay, whatever, it's fine. Good. So yeah, the signal just didn't get linked properly. It's linked now though, so we can get rid of that, we can get rid of that. So let's go back to this, because I believe I'm still able to click multiple of them. Oh no, it's actually working. But I know I did. Okay, that's obviously not good. Yeah, because if that happens, then then you, man. Then the whole open spot thing breaks down. Definitely a work of a ghost in your room. Yeah, right? Like, I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Maybe we put a cooldown on picking up and setting and placing. Something I did, yeah, see, like, there, it's just broken now. Oh, actually, okay, it's not, but... I mean, the system is pretty good, but if you, like, apparently if you spam the crap out of it... So is the question is, do I make it so you just can't spam, or do I make it, maybe if I make it lerp faster. But like it just completely breaks the game. But like it's going to be it's going to be on touch. It's not going to be with mouse. So like you literally just couldn't do this. You just can't tap that fast if you're on touchscreen. I don't know. It's something I can fix later because it works quite well now. I mean, it's not literally perfect, but... All right, so what's next? So this actually works. I'm able to click... I mean, you just watched me, but I'm able to click the base and drag or what's connected to the base. So that's awesome. Now... let's try to make a base that's rotatable as well. So, are you making this a mobile game? Yes, this is going to be a mobile game. I could make it a PC game too, but it feels more like a mobile game. Can you give me your top tips for Godot in 3D? Oh man. So I guess I'm a beginner in Godot for 3D and for 2D, frankly, but I guess I have more experience than you, so yes, I can try. You're currently considering using Godot, but you're not sure with its 3D capabilities. Its 3D capabilities are quite good, as long as you're not making like a giant game. What kind of game are you trying to make? It's not bad at all, but with that said, I do not have that much experience. Like I've never made a full 3D project in this. I've never made a 3D project in this at all, actually. This is my first one. But so far it seems pretty good. So far it seems capable. Okay, this is really weird. This is really weird. Yeah, babe, sure, yeah. Wait, it's done?
Yeah.
Why didn't you frost the outside?
Because that's hard. It's a naked cake. It's
Oh,
a pumpkin cake
That looks ugly.
with
Looks good,
cream
though.
cheese frosting.
Can I have some?
And cinnamon on the top.
The frosting looks very
The
good.
frosting is delicious, and so is the cake. Yeah.
Okay, that issue seems to be just like this kind of thing. When I open it on the PC, I don't think I'm gonna have that issue on with a phone. That's what I'm attempting to say. But yeah, I'm sorry I can't give you a better answer. I think it is very capable though. Can Godot achieve Mario Kart 8? I don't see why not. I truly don't see why not. Yeah, I really don't see why not. It would obviously take a lot of work, but if you're trying to make like a kart racing game or something. Okay. Yeah, let's continue. So we want to make the rotatable base also draggable. This is going to be really tough though, because like you can only click. There's no right clicking on phones. So, well, here, let me show you. Drag, rotate 90, and then this is going to be, so let's call this drag R90 1 SM, so one-sided mirror. Okay. Does this have... I don't want the hover code anymore. I don't want that anymore. I'm not doing that. So can we go into the draggable base and just get rid of that? But we do want this. We need to know when it's clicked, right? So we can rotate it. But that code is already there. So, okay. We're back to this. Yes, we have that. That's good. We need a mirror now. We need to put a mirror, but the mirror needs to go on the rotatable base, which is easy. Okay, let's line everything up now. Crap. Okay, the mirror's lined up. Oh, but okay, there's no point to line up the mirror until we line up the rotatable base. Okay, let's try doing that. Because this doesn't line up perfect. Oh, I remember. I think it needs to be transform 1.5 or 1.75 possibly? Or 1.25? Yeah. Yeah, it's by 0.25. Okay, now if I put the one-sided mirror... I think that's good. Yes, that's perfect. Right? Yeah, it lines up with the bottom perfectly. Awesome. So now the last thing, I need to connect this signal, the clicked signal, to the draggable base. There we go. That was actually pretty easy. I like that workflow a lot. Okay, let's get rid of some of these. So let's add our drag, rotate 90, one-sided mirror. We can actually add it to there and it'll just snap, right? Oh, no. No, it won't. No, it won't. No, it will not. Will it? Wait, I don't think it will. Will it? Nah. Yeah, I didn't think so. But... Okay, there you go. Now, yeah. Okay, so here's... Oh, we can't drag the base. We can drag the mirror, but we can't drag the base. Did I forget something? I believe I did. So draggable base, static. Yep. My bad. There. Okay. I won't have to do that every time, but... What not to do in Godot? Oh man, dude, like, I, I wish I could help you. Okay, sure. So, Godot, okay, it's all node based, right? So everything is a child of something else except the root node. This is pretty cool though. Oh wait. I'll finish my thought. This needs to be -90. There. Okay. So if we go to the test level, everything is a child of everything else, of something else, and that's similar to Unity. Like, but this is like extreme. And okay, the point is like, it's really important to not make nodes like completely reliant on other nodes existing. They should be able to function by themselves for the most part. So like before I had logic that basically like, okay, so well, hold on. Let me rephrase. Let me say this a different way. I had something that to communicate between nodes, one way to do it is to literally like is to get the node, but to get the node in the code, you had to have like the exact position of it. It's like a file structure. And if that ever changed, it would completely break, and that's not good. That's not good. You need to like build your scenes in a way where they can function properly by themselves. I am not experienced in Godot, but I'm learning, right? I'm learning. Why Godot? That's a good question, but let me attempt to finish my thought. Just go look at the YouTube tutorials. Dude, I'm sorry. I'm learning. I'm still learning. But why Godot? I can answer that. I really like how easy it is to port to Android, to iOS, to PC, I think to Linux, to Mac, you can export to anything. It's completely free, like in open source, completely. And the final thing is it's light. It's not like a giant program, and the things you export aren't giant. They're like small programs. You got a dev pass for the Play Store? Yeah, it's only like $50. I've published to the Play Store before, but it was a while ago. Not Apple. I would only export to iOS if my original app did well. Child of something else is like grouping. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, it's like a group inside a group. Yeah. But yeah, Testa, so I play a game called Dreams, which is on the PS4, and I've made a bunch of games there. I'm a computer science major, and my current job is programming, but I've never actually made a game outside of this Dreams program. But I've made a game like the game I'm trying to make right now. Or rather, yeah, in Dreams. With lasers and bouncing mirrors that you can drag and drop. And I'm trying to make it outside. I'm trying to make it outside of Dreams. And I figured this would be a good... Let's just stay on that. I figured this would be a good project to do that on. I wish I could help you more. I do. How big is the player base in Dreams? Any word on a PC port? Yeah, that's a good question. The player, there's about like 1,000 active players at any one time right now. 1 million people have bought it, by the way, but so it's not small, but it is dwindled since release, which was last year. It has. Once they release some updates like multiplayer or more gadgets and stuff, mainly multiplayer, I'm hoping the player base gets larger, but I don't think they're ever gonna make a PC port for it. I wish I could port the games I make on it, but I mean that's what I'm doing here, right? The dreams dying on Twitter thing. It's not dying per se. It's just people are getting, not the creators. The creators are still doing their own thing, but the players are just getting bored of it, I guess, which is understandable. No problem, no problem. Yeah, but hey, if you want to stick around and learn with me, like, if you have specific questions, I can probably maybe help. I would hope specific basic questions. But I'm learning with you. I'm learning. What's up, Alpha? New instruments. Yep. All right, so let's put this here. All right, so where are we with this? That bug is so annoying. I don't even know why that happens. It's like it thinks I'm clicking. I have to click into the scene first. That's not even my fault. Wait, what the hell just happened? It thought I clicked. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I can click the rotatable base to rotate, and then I can click and drag the base or the mirror to drag it. What I want to do, though, and I have no idea how I'm going to do this, is detect if I'm clicking but not moving to make it rotate. So the drag doesn't start until the mouse moves.
Hey baby, have you seen the remote to the TV?
I have not.
Neither have I.
The drag doesn't start until the mouse moves. And if you release if you click and release, it rotates. That might be tough. Also, I don't like how high it's being lifted. Can I change that? Drag offset, yeah. Can I make this like 0.2? And I'm going to have to individually change that. It's fine, though. I'll do it later. Okay, so that's like how high it's being lifted off the ground, I think. Yeah, now it's not that high. Okay. I mean, it's still kind of high. Let's go even lower. Can we just do 0? What is 0? Okay, 0 is still off the ground. I like 0, though. It's funny how I make a variable that I can set by custom, and I just set it to 0. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I pressed Control A. You know, we all know how many people will buy Dreams when Elka finishes his game. I know, right? All right, this is cool. What am I going to do for this? For the rotating? I need to sense... Oh, man. I need to sense if it's click and release. If it's just clicked. If it's clicked and then released. Okay. First, can I... Let's go to the draggable base. I don't even have it up. Can I sense if the mouse has moved before actually dragging it? So right now, when I click, dragging is just immediately set to true. But that's not what I want. I want it so when I click and then move the mouse. Crap. Thanks, Benda. I'll see you later, dude. What programming language is Godot? You can use multiple different languages, but I'm using GD script. It's like the syntax of Python. It's just like I don't know, it's like a custom programming language, I guess. You could use C#. You could use C++, I think, but it's basically between C# GD script. It's just easier to learn GD script, honestly. BRB, got to go to the store. Nice. Import Dreams? You mean export? Yeah, you can export Dreams assets kind of by like taking a picture of it or something. It's really stupid though. Did you do the Martin thing? No. Sorry, Alpha. I made it in Blender. You know C#? Nice. Dude, I honestly, if you know C#, I would just learn GD script. I would just learn GD script. And yeah, VR boosted the player base. We all know when the player base really is going to get boosted. Needs to be bundled with the PS5. I wish it was. I wish it was. I completely agree, though. You've wanted to learn programming, but it's too much right now. Yeah, I hear you. It's cool. It's really fun to learn, though. Or it's fun to know. It's not fun to learn. It's fun to know it, though. Okay. Anyway. Oh, man, we need to know when it's clicked and then dragged. Right now, clicking just makes dragging equals true, and then the moment you release, dragging equals, and you're dragging equals false. I mean, let's just look up. I don't know. So Godot, click and drag. Input for click and drag. Sure, let's try that. It's really similar to Python. Yeah. So Testa, are you trying to make like a Mario Kart like game, like a kart game? Okay, here's the click. Babe, what's up? Are you drinking already?
What? No.
Oh.
It's 4 o'clock.
I know. You're so happy midterms is over. Nice. Where's the dragging? Like, I need to know if the mouse has moved.
Are you like actually coding the game?
I'm trying to. What do you mean?
Oh, in Godot?
Yes.
Ew.
That's real. I don't know. As opposed, what do you mean actually?
As opposed to Dreams, where it's just little
Oh,
cubes.
right,
And
yeah.
pictures.
That bug is so annoying. You have to like click into the scene first. Okay, anyway.
You should make a thing that takes Dreams games and makes them in Godot for you.
Yeah, that thing is me.
No, but you should make a thing to do it for you.
Me.
No, but it wouldn't be you, baby.
So the current issue, Natalie, is we need to make, so we have this draggable base, and then we have a rotatable base on it, and then we have the mirror on top of that. We need to make it so if we click anywhere, just a click, it rotates. Mm-hmm. And then a click and drag moves it.
Wait, so when you click and drag it rotates?
What?
Wait, you want it to rotate when you click and drag? I'm confused.
No, when you click and drag, I want it to move. Did I say rotate? I'm sorry, I
doesn't
misspoke.
It move?
Yes.
So what's the problem?
Actually, I'm not even sure what I don't even know what I want. So currently, when you to rotate it, what the heck?
She spin.
Okay, guys, you know how I kept picking it up without me clicking anything? The scroll wheel is triggering clicks. Oh my god. All right, I needed to...
You're dumb.
Yeah, I'm
You're
dumb. And the index is the left button. Yeah, my bad.
Okay, JJ says that they got to help out on the Avatar project, and they're proud of it, and they want to show you.
Yo, nice. You helped on the Avatar project. That's awesome. How, yeah, sure. What did you do for it? Racing game, but sci-fi, if you know Wipeout. Nice, nice. Anti-gravity. Oh, that sounds really fun.
Okay, baby, have fun. I might play The Sims for a little bit.
Okay.
I'm taking today off. I'm not doing any more work.
Okay.
I can't.
Okay.
I can't do it.
That's fine.
This week was rough.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're cute.
Yeah, you're cute.
Thanks. All right.
Mwah.
All right, go play The Sims.
Got lipstick on you.
Did you? Why are you wearing? Okay.
Just kidding. It's the same color as my lips, so it doesn't matter. It's just
True.
chapstick, so.
What is EV? Shouldn't that be the event? But I think, yeah, I think I can get the button index. All right. So let's prevent that. So draggable base, let's prevent right here. If event is input mouse button and event is pressed and event dot button index is the left. Is that going to work? That actually might not work. Wait, why doesn't that work? Oh, there. I had 2 colons. Okay. Will that work? And then what about the one-sided mirror thing? I think we need the same thing here. Yeah. And this. Lots of ands. Okay, and then what about the rotatable base? Same thing. I wonder if there's a better way to do this. Don't I have like a... I wonder if I could have just done this. Oops. I have an input map where I have grab and then it's just left button. Couldn't I have just used that? What did I do wrong here? Oh. And I've used that in some places. I wonder, would that make sense to do it here though? I don't think so. I think this is fine. All right, let's try it. So let's make sure the scroll wheel, yep, scroll wheel does not click anymore. Ooh, you know what? That's actually gonna get rid of a lot of the bugs I was having, I think. Cause like, I couldn't figure out why it was automatically clicking. It was just the scroll wheel. Yeah, that fixes a lot of things. Okay, anyway. Yeah, we can now scroll properly. Cool. All right, what is this? Did you write this? Oh, hell yeah. Wait, what is it? This is cool though. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. It's just like a fact sheet. That's really cool. The game will be a semi-open world and feature large levels with collectibles. The player will be able to revisit levels after unlocking abilities. Yeah, new path. Okay, it's like Spyro kind of. Or Mario or something. It's like Mario. Odyssey. Aang's glider, nice. Appa is like a level slide. Yeah, that's cool. That's really, really cool. Read what I said. It's for their... Oh, it's for their press kit. Oh. Okay, you helped with their press kit, so if anyone wants to do a news story... Right. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. You have a freaking press kit. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm not sure what I want to do for this because keep in mind, like it's for mobile, right? So you only have like tapping and swiping and stuff. And like to be accurate with these taps, like you'd have to only tap this. That's kind of, I'm not sure if I want, yeah, I don't really like that. The dragging and dropping works really well. You can click the base or the mirror. That's awesome. But what about the rotating? Sorry for hitting the mic. What do I do for the rotating? You got to apply something you just learned in class? That's awesome. That's awesome. And like if this was on a little tiny phone, I feel like it would be hard to rotate this thing. So what should the control scheme be if it's not this? What should the control scheme be? I like the idea of tapping, like just a click, without moving is would rotate it, and then a click and drag would do this. But that, I don't know. Yeah, tapping it multiple times would be fine to rotate it, but okay. And then tap and drag would move it. Okay. I think I have an idea. Mouse entered, mouse exited, input event. I need to know if the mouse... I need to know if you're dragging. I need to know if... Let's see. Okay, with this, you'll be able to get input events only when they are clicked. Yes, I have that right now. What I do is have a variable that checks if the object is being held or not. I have that. And to release the rigid body, we need to use a normal input event. Yeah, mouse button and the not pressed. Right, yes. Is held equals false. Okay, but I need to know... Follow your mouse until you let go. I need to know if you're moving the mouse. Oh, here. Input event screen drag. I didn't mean to click that. Only available on mobile devices. Yo, JJ, thank you so much for the sub. 5 months. Hell yeah. Man, I really appreciate it, JJ. Thank you. Have some hearts. Tap to rotate, drag to move. Right. But this is only for touch. Okay, wait. I guess for not touch... I can just get the mouse location and then check if it did not change. Oh, shit. Okay, I think I know what I need to do. Okay. So... Okay, I got it. Dragging equals... Okay, var... mouse position... start. Something like that. Like the mouse position on or at drag start. Okay. Equals nothing. Okay. So, all right. When we've clicked, mouse position at drag start equals the mouse position. This is going to be different if we're using touch. Actually, it looks easier if we're using touch. but let's leave that up. Godot mouse position. Why is it loading so long? Okay. Event dot position. I just want to get. Yeah, here we go. We will ask the viewport. Okay. Get mouse position. Get mouse position. Perfect. Okay. So, dragging equals true. So, okay. That's. Oh, man. I only want dragging to equal true if the mouse position does not equal... Or rather, wait. I only want this to happen once you move the mouse. Oh my god, this is so confusing. Okay, let's just try this. So if dragging and this does not equal this. How about that? How about that? So let's see if this actually works. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, click and drag, good. Now what if I just click? Look at that, clicking doesn't move it. Okay. You have to click and move. That actually kind of worked. But when I click and hold, it still thinks I'm dragging, which is okay, I think. Okay, so this actually worked. But it's a little hacky because it still thinks it's dragging even. It should only think it's dragging once it's moved. There has to be an easier way to do this. Okay, let's try this. Godot, click versus click and drag. Here we go, here we go. Input for click and click drag. Oh, whoa. If mouse motion, if pressed. Oh, that's interesting. If mouse motion. Okay. If event... Wait. What? Crap. What, What about this? It's just using the input function. So there's pressed and then there's dragging. Yeah, I think I need another Boolean. But the input event mouse motion is very interesting. If event is input event mouse, okay, but it can't be. So this is sensing if it's clicked. That's all fine. But what about this? I need to check if there's mouse motion. This is really annoying. And then does the mouse motion thing even work on touch? Is the next question. Probably not. And I'm making this game for touch. Oh my god. Welcome back, Pillow. You got class starting? Nice. Is it online? You gotta go now? Alright, JJ, I'll see you later. I'm not gonna be streaming. I'm not gonna be streaming later though. I've got stuff to do, but I will be streaming for the next half hour. I don't see this problem being fixed. We're gonna try though. Oh man. So Pillow. Starting at 2, nice. So we've got it dragging, we've got it rotating, and we've got you can click anywhere except well, you can't click on the rotatable base. We need to differentiate between a click and a click and drag. And actually, let's This is kind of tough. This is tough because like we need it to like oh man. Multiple things need to talk to each other. And we're already doing it for clicking, but then the difference between clicking and dragging. My problem is there's no right clicking with touch. So for the rotatable base, maybe we just add like a little thing to make it rotate or something, like a button or something. But yeah, I mean, this is so. It works very well, but okay. So let me just explain the problem. When I just click without moving, I want it to rotate if it has a rotatable base, and if I click and then move, I want it to drag and drop. Right now, you can only click and rotate if you click the rotatable base. But I want to make it so if you click anywhere and there's a rotatable base, it rotates. And honestly, that would be doable. Wait, I think I can do that. Just swipe to rotate? No, can you do it? No, because you do drag and drop. I'm doing the opposite, right? Basically, swiping is to move it around. And then... Oh, I mean, that would be interesting. So what if you click to, like, pick it up? You would click, and then once you released, you'd pick it up. And then if you drag, if you held and swiped, it would rotate. That's interesting. Oh, you have to hold on the object. That sounds really annoying. To just sit there and hold it for like, yeah, I don't like that. But the idea to like swipe it to rotate is interesting instead of just like clicking, because then you could rotate it in both directions too. But then to move it, you'd have to like click and then release, which would probably be fine. But I kind of like the drag and drop. It just feels better. I feel like it would feel better on a phone. But the click and drag, it's just... Okay, for the rotatable base, let's make it so that if you click, drag, then release, it doesn't rotate. Let's start with that. So we have, yeah, we have the, let's get the viewport mouse position thing. Although, I don't, we'll have to do something else for touch, but this is fine for now. So, rotatable base, where is it? 90? Yeah, rotatable base. Right, we have this. Okay, so if it's pressed, it does something, and if it's released, it does another thing. So, var, we want... press... mouse position on press. Sure. Mouse position on press. Okay. And that gets set to your mouse position when you click. We're going to get rid of the step because we only want the step to work. Well, you'll see. Okay, so if the event is not pressed, so if it's not, if the event isn't pressed, there's so many ands, and mouse position on press equals the viewport mouse. Okay, this is way too much. Let's just make this its own line. This is too much. So if this mouse position on press equals this, oh, double equals, sorry. Then you do the step. So you only rotate if the mouse doesn't move, basically. If it's a tap. What did I do? Okay. Okay. Is that better? Yes. Let's see if this works. So now when I click and hold, it doesn't rotate, and when I release, it rotates. But if I click and drag, it doesn't rotate. Perfect. That's actually perfect. So click, okay, now... So I'm successfully sensing clicks, which is nice. Now what I wanted to do is when I click, I want it to drag. Let's go back to where is it? This. Let's go back to this. And let's grab the rotatable bases. Oh, it doesn't even have a click yet. Let's give it a click. So 90 rotatable base. Let's give it a click signal. Does the draggable, no. Does the mirror have a click signal? I need to copy that code. Yeah, signal clicked. Signal clicked, and then what else? Oh, right, it's that. Okay. Oh, I already have that. I literally have exactly that. Yeah, sure. Okay, and can we go to this and then grab that signal, put it there. So now, if we click and drag, oh, that didn't work. Okay. Did it not get updated? I think we have to replace it in the test level, which is fine. Where is it? Yep, we got to just replace it. Oh, no, never mind. I thought, because of what I just did, I would be able to click and drag the rotatable base and have that, and have it move still. I wonder why that's not working. Did the function not... I have the rotatable base. The clicked signal... Let's disconnect. Connect. Make... It should be make a function. Oh, it made a function and I never used it. Oh, my bad. My bad. Bam. All right, there. Now it'll work. I hope. Yeah, look. Okay, so... Oh, and then one more thing. The drag offset should be 0. Okay, so now I'm differentiating between a click and a drag. So I can click and drag on the rotatable base and it still moves. So we're almost there. We're almost there. Now I need to be able to click anywhere. And if my mouse doesn't move when I release, it should rotate. I think I can manage that. So let's go to rotatable base. And I mean, we already have this, the emit signal. Here, this is what we want though. So let's do function clicked. And if we're clicked, we do this. We don't emit clicked though. That would be like a loop of signals, a never-ending loop of signals. So, but we do want to do this. Clicked. Oh my God, please. Thank you. And now, yeah, so we save and then we need other... So, okay, now we need to know when everything else in this big group is clicked. So if we go to this, we need to know if the mirror is clicked, right? Connect to the rotatable base, and we need to know if the draggable base is clicked. Do I not have a signal for that? I guess I don't. It's not that hard to do it though. Signal clicked, and then specifically when only this thing is clicked. This is a lot of signals going back and forth. I think it's fine though. Okay, so if the event is clicked, yes. This is the actual one. So emit signal clicked. Wonderful. All right. Now I can connect this to the base. So this base knows when everything is clicked. Yes, it knows when these two things are clicked. Wonderful. And when these two things are clicked, I call the clicked function. Okay, and it just sets the mouse position on press to this. And then if the mouse is ever... Shit. This is... Okay, we're close, but this isn't going to exactly work. Oh, actually... Oh, yeah. So we know when it's clicked. Oh, maybe the click signal should only... I need a released signal. I need to know when it's clicked and released without moving. That's what I need. Not a clicked signal. I need a released signal. That's what I need. Okay. That's okay. I think I can do this. So var mouse position on press. Mouse. Oh, I already have that though. Right. I have this crap. Oh my god. Okay, let's just do another variable. This is super messy. I just want to get it working first. I need to emit a signal when it is clicked and released without the mouse moving. That's what I need to know. Oh crap, my people are here. You gotta head out, see you tomorrow. All right, I'll see you later, Pillow. Yep, actually, I am heading out too. I am heading out too. I'll be streaming tomorrow. I will be streaming tomorrow, but this was fun. I gotta go though. I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle. Have a good I keep saying have a good night, but I'll see you later, Pillow.